Welcome to Amuros in the kitchen. This time it's just one Amuro, me, Marakar. Today I'm making a dish called Sinigang, and I'll be using the ono that we had frozen that we purchased fresh just last week. So the first step is I'm gonna go ahead and add the onions and the tomatoes into boiling water. I'll be using 1 packet of Mamacita's Sinigang seasoning packet, along with all the veggies that I have in my fridge. Well, not all of them, but mostly ones that I remember my dad using for the dish he used to make when we were growing up. So I added the eggplants to the tomatoes and onions that I've already had cooking for about 5 minutes on high earlier. And now I'm adding about a pound of ono that we got fresh just last week, and we just froze maybe a few days ago. I forgot to mention that I added the seasoning packet before I added the ono, and now I'm going to give that a good stir. Now comes the rest of the vegetables. So I'm going to add in some chopped bok choy, some okra, and okra is one of my favorites. I was inspired to make this dish tonight because as I was talking to my brother in LA last week, he mentioned that that's what he had for dinner, but he made his with pork ribs. And I was asking him what was in it, and he was shocked because he thought I've made it before, and I said, no, I've never made it. He said, what? You've never made it? And my sister actually made it last week too with salmon. So tonight I decided to make it. So that'll be 3 of us siblings having made sinigang this week. So in honor of our parents in heaven, we're making sinigang. And it actually turned out so delicious. My husband loved it, and it brought me back memories of childhood. So by the time my husband got home from running his errand, dinner was ready. Thanks for joining me tonight at Amuros in the kitchen.